Here's another perspective. I'm on the top now. Scraped off a lot of material, and now he's going to work it all down the hill. I'm learning a lot right now. These guys do this all the time, so they're very experienced in doing this, building roads on the mountain. Burning some stumps. Man, that smells nice, as long as you don't put any tires. I tell them clearly, I say no plastic, no tires when you're burning stuff. And if that's true, then it smells nice. And here we're going to be digging this all out here, and this is where the first house is going to go. And just to give you a perspective of it, right here, all of this is going to be removed and brought down to this level. So that's like about 1.5 meters is going to be cut right off the top. And so the building site will be 1.5 meters lower than this spot right here, and all of that will be filled in over here. So this is going to be a massive building site. Just a massive building site. And this is the view that you will get from this house. And I want to just show you this tree. Look at this ancient tree. It's just beautiful, which of course we will never cut and preserve. And we have another one right here. I just see a nice seat underneath here for meditating. A beautiful tree. Okay, and this is what it looks like. And way up there, that's where the luxurious houses are gonna go. 2 of them. Bye for now.